It was in the back of the car all the time. I knew it was there, but I didn't have. You guys were gone. I forgot to get it out the car. Say hello.
Hi.